Hey everybody! I recently made some custom length air hoses for my shop here, and I filmed it because I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to do with this simple tool and some basic supplies. I keep all this stuff on hand in case I ever have to repair an Argon hose or a torch hose, or if I want to make a custom length air hose. It's very, very easy to do. Check it out. Extreme Flex, normally $19.99, on sale $10.99. 100 feet. In a shop my size, 100 feet is way too long. Okay, so we've got our cut end of our hose here. We've got our crimping tool, our ferrule, first thing to go on, our hose barb. Slide that in. A little bit of oil will help. Okay, we're going to be using this front circle here. The back one is for the next size up. But the trick is to not squeeze it all the way closed on the first one. So place it on there. Here is our first crimp. So from there, I'm going to rotate 90 degrees and I'm going to repeat. Second crimp, rotate it another 90 degrees, same process. And another 90 after that. Alright, and here is our finished product. A fairly attractive and somewhat professional looking crimped end on the hose. Just for a comparison's sake, this is one that I had the welding shop do for me before I knew I could buy that tool. The desk clerk pulled out this exact same tool and crimped this hose for me. And that's when I decided that I was no longer going to pay people to make my hoses for me. I was just going to make my own.